Hello everyone. Today there will be very useful information for all Gmail users or anyone who has a Google account. And naturally your email address acts as a login for various apps like YouTube, Google Play, Google Chrome, or simply any Google service. Yes, o qualquer Google service. Tu sempre repetir de dizer que preço se estará sponsoring de kul tu sempre Israel agency gung tu sis van sich tu kuler zem kes pur commerce tu res komush commerce adgorson komus komisha. Consequently, they can gain access not only to your accounts but in principle to everything we think. But first and foremost, of course, what do you think they are trying to access us? Naturally, it's your bank accounts and passwords to your personal accounts or just your private information. This could be correspondence, your photos, audio or video, basing everything important that you have. Now I will show you two extremely useful settings that each of you need to configure to protect yourself so that protect your scammers cannot gain access. I will tell you and show you everything right now. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. So to start, of course, you need to find the Gmail app itself. If you don't have it on your phone's home screen, this Gmail icon is usually in a folder named Google. There, and you can find it there. Next, open this Gmail app. Here you will obviously see the emails you receive. You need to tap on the three lines on the left side, then scroll to the very bottom and find the Gira icon. These are the settings. Tap on it, and you will see a list of accounts. Then if you use only one email, obviously there will only be one choice in the list. But don't rush to select any account here. Find general settings at the top. There they are. Tap here. Now watch us scroll through here and look carefully. There is a tricky button or checkbox on some phones. There will simply be a toggle switch that is turned on. Open web links in Gmail. It supposedly speeds up web page viewing. But this is precisely the scheme that most scammers use. I will now give you a small example of how this works. Various emails might come to your inbox and you might notice that some even end up in spam. And there are some messages that may have a very attractive nature. For example, you've recently been looking at an expensive smartphone and you definitely want to buy it, but the price is just currently very high and you're still considering it. Then you get an email that looks like it's from a store that sells smartphones. And this specific model is priced at several times lower, 5 or 10 times cheaper. And in this same message, there is a link they suggest you click to make the purchase. Well, most people, of course, just click that link out of curiosity. At that exact moment, a malicious app is downloaded onto your device. You won't even notice it, but it will be installed and will download absolutely all of your data. And all because you have this specific setting enabled. Basically, these messages are designed to be attractive so that you do only one thing. Definitely click the link on. Just imagine you receive an email saying a package is on its way to you, even though you didn't order anything, You'll be curious to click the link in the message because it says to click it to see where the package is currently located. This is essentially what scammers are waiting for, of course. In general, there are thousands of such examples. Of course, just go ahead and disable this checkbox. And now don't rush to switch away. Next, I will show you a second very important setting that is duplicated and also must be disabled. Those must be disabled. Look, while we exit this menu, we now need to use the standard settings to tap it and then scroll down to find apps. Tap it. Next, find Manage Apps. Tap here. Now tap the three dots at the top right and tap Other Settings. Next, tap Default Apps. Now scroll through this list and tap opening link of phones. Next, you need to find your Gmail app in your listen. Let's go in. And pay attention to the setting here, open supported links out. And Gmail in principle supports absolutely all links, even though we disabled that setting earlier, just so you understand. That setting is disabled over there, but here it is enabled. Make sure to select don't open, right E. After this, you will be safe. You have just done a very good thing for your phone and for yourself. You have increased your level of online privacy, improved your personal security, and protected yourself from some scam schemes that certainly would not have been in your favor. These settings are extremely useful for everyone. By all means, use them, share them with friends, and I hope you have a great day.